Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet designed by my friend Elena Polkanova. So go ahead and check Elena's Instagram page for more of these useful and very nice paracord designs. The tutorial for 4-strand paracord bracelet core we're using today with the 2 working ends you have in the top right corner in the information cards. Also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome paracord bracelet, as many other useful paracord tutorials. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna take the feed and insert the red paracord into the bracelet base. So from the top, so now we created the working ends with the red and the blue, and we're gonna start with the weaves. Before that, if you have any questions about this or any other paracord projects or any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So we're gonna take the left red paracord and we're gonna make it under and into the middle, so from the back through the gap in the middle and pull to the side, and we're gonna do the same with the right strand, so from the back through the middle and to the left side. Now when we've done this, we're gonna simply take the blue and we're gonna make the blue from the back also through the middle like this, and with the left strand. And now from here we're gonna take the right strand and we're gonna make it through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side. So from the top through the gap around, and then from the back side in the middle, but next to this strand here, so between this working end and the bracelet core, and through. The same on the left side, so from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the left, and then from the back side in the gap between working end of a blue and the bracelet core, like this, and pull it through. Now we're gonna pull everything to make it tight, cinch it well, and we're gonna proceed. This is the halfway or the half of a first knot or a weave. Now we're gonna take the red and we're gonna make it again around and from the back through the middle, then on top of those 2 cords on the right side and through the loop. Now with the left one as well, from the back through, and then from the top through the loop and pull. So now we're gonna take again the left strand of the red and we're gonna make it under and through the gap in the middle, so from the back through the gap, and with the right strand as well from the back through the gap sorry. And now we're gonna take the blue and we're gonna make it around from the back through the middle, like so, and with the left strand as well from the back through the middle, And now from here we're gonna make the blue with the right strand from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side, and then from the back into the gap between working end and the bracelet base. Now with the left strand, so from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from this left side, around, and now from the back into the gap between working end and the bracelet core, like so, and pull. Now we're gonna tighten it well and proceed. So we reached the end of today's project, as you can see. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit that bell button also, so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. I have to admit, this is the most beautiful paracord bracelet I ever made. The awesome design and the great bracelet from the Elena Polkanova. So once more, go ahead and check Elena's Instagram profile. She has some awesome paracord designs. This one is, as I said, by far the most beautiful, elegant and satisfying bracelet I ever made. Thank you, Elena, once more. And for all of you, I wish you just best. Stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next project. Until then, bye.